Following us on Instagram, you might have seen a few months back, we were bullnosing some dark porcelain tiles for an outdoor kitchen for Mitch at Sunrise Landscapes. He's just given me a call saying that he's all finished with the job. The job also features our 900 by 450 Barton white porcelain paving. It's like a white sort of beige with bits of sandy markings in it. Really nice slab. The pictures he's been sending me of the job as he's been going along look amazing. The materials were specified on this one a few months back. Around October time, Mitch sent the clients in to see us, and they wanted something light for the paving that would bounce light, make it feel airy, and contrast with the dark slabs that they were going to use for the kitchen countertops. That's why they went for the Barton white. And the idea of this build really is to try and get maximum use out of their outdoor space. They want to be able to kind of feel like their outside is an extension of inside. That's why they've got such an extensive outdoor kitchen put in there, because they want in the summer months to make it feel like an extra living space really. So looking forward to checking out what Mitch has been doing over the last couple of months on this one and showing you some finished shots.